Mm-mm. No.
We had one man about 95 yards. A little too far to risk a shot at wounding him out there. We got him all around us. He's eating Skittles. Yeah, that Tweety bird out there about 95 yards. I didn't want to take the chance of breaking a wing or something, you know. So we did the unthinkable when we let him walk. And
We're just taking a little lunch break right now.
we're taking a little lunch break. We're thinking about doing a stalk hunt here shortly. We've seen about 130-inch blackbird. Go off the edge of that row. That Tweety bird out there, I'm telling you though, he thinks he was about 145. I say it was pretty close to about a 160. Great mass. Great mass.
We're thinking we might have to get up and move around and try to get him stirred up because the wind switched and there is nothing coming in here now.
It's just doing all kinds of swirls. See what happened, these birds, sorry, I just heard one. These birds, they come out here to feed off the edge of this fence row, and there's a few real good ones around, you know, and couple small ones, we seen a couple potential shooters. We let them pass. We should have filmed for you, but everything happened so fast. We got this Ameristop right here, and we got in this Ameristop, and we just, as soon as we put the windows up, boom, there they were. And like I said, I seen that. I'd say it was all of 160. He was out there at about 95 yards, and we made a tough choice, and we decided to let it walk. But that's just a part of hunting. Sometimes, you know, you gotta make the right choice. So
That's why it's called hunting, not killing. You gotta hunt for them. You know?
Right. Stay tuned, and we'll see what happens.